Control the
Jumping
exercise.
jacks in 3, 2, 1, go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
I think we were supposed to be swimming.
we up to 30 in our workouts.
Somebody was. I mean, he said 20.
I know, but we're up to 30, so anybody feeling unwell? Like,
We doing 30, y'all. All right. Next. Marches.
Yeah.
Let's get it done.
Watch my break, but like this.
Just stay on your mat.
Okay. Maddie.
All right.
Break.
Get it started, Hendrix.
Down.
She's going to get really with it.
2, 1, go.
I'm trying to balance myself.
We are on 40. What is that? We are on the 40. Now, squats. I think that's right. Fireman. I am not doing that. What about a break? I think that's becoming no breaks. Yes, a break. No breaks. Are you becoming a firebender?
Do my exercise.
y'all ready?
Squats.
Yeah. But just like this.
Alright.
I'm doing regular squats.
Me too. 3, 2, 1, go. What are you doing?
My poor butt cheeks.
What did you say? What did you say?
My poor butt cheeks.
Now a break. I can finally take a break. I'm gonna take but it's 1 second. But it could be 12. It could be 12 seconds. If everyone stays on their mat. 12 seconds, that isn't even a break. 5, 13. That's not even a break. 5, 13 minutes. That's not even a break. You get to choose how much time. Okay, I'll choose how much time my break is. But it can be 100 or any hundreds. I'll just
What's next?
We're going to take a break.
Okay.
Next. Plank, right?
After
We took a
We
break.
had a break.
Let's get our plank in. 30-second plank. Is that what we're doing?
A 20-second.
30-second at least.
Directed you.
Get ready. Come on, Henny.
Okay,
Get us
who-
ready.
Start a timer for 30 seconds.
1,
I
go!
have started the timer for 30 seconds. It will go off at 10:53 a.m.
Yes, we started a timer. Okay, we're good. It's 10:54.
Why did you not start a timer?
Next, we got the dead bugs.
I heard that too. Dead. Oh, good.
You don't have to sound up.
But as fast as me.
I can't go fast because I have stuff right here.
I mean, like this.
And I don't want to hurt myself.
That's good luck.
This way.
It's like bicycle crunches.
So we do 15 each side.
Yeah.
I've got 10 heads. Wait, where did we start? Right
I'm on 4.
now?
Oh, we're going Hendrix. Come on,
Oh.
Henny.
6.
Hendrix, count us in.
6, 7,
I'm on 1.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 12, 1,000, 1,000,000, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
You aren't doing it. You're not doing it. You're just going like this.
I'm not going
That's all you're doing. I just seen you.
like this.
You're not doing it the right way. This is not, every exercise that you do is not meant to be done fast. Sometimes taking your time and moving through it slowly is what helps you more than doing it fast. You did not, Maddie. Just be quiet. You don't have to say something every time you say something. Sometimes it's best for you to listen and learn. And say yes. Thank you. Next, Krabbies.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to count us in, or we just doing whatever we want?
Whichever crab. I'm doing the other. This was in. And 3, 2, 1, go. finished.
Thank you.